Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to name a column in Google Sheets. So the first step is to click and select your column, then simply go right here to Data, and this will expand this menu where you have to click Named Ranges. Here you can enter the name of your range, so the name of the column will be 1, and then press Done. Now, as you can see, the name has been created. If you want to edit it, then press on this pencil icon, edit, and you can edit the range of this named range or the name, or you can delete the range if you want. Now, you can also select the range, let's say these 4 columns, and name them with one name if you want. So click on Data again and Named Ranges, and then simply enter the name of this range. So the name of the range will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Because if you leave a space, as you can see when I press Done, there is some specifications, so it can contain only letters, numbers and underscores. It cannot contain true or false words, or it cannot contain any spaces on punctuations. So this is the range name limitations. So keep that in mind. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.